Hey, today is July 19th, 2025. As you can see, we're down to at least 7 laps to go. We were down to 8, now to 7 laps to go. First place, M&M's, the number 26 in the lead. The B200, they're in second. And the Flying Rocket, we're in third. And we're just ahead of the Flying Rocks. So we're down to at least less than 10 laps to go. I don't think we're going to win this race. We gave her our best shot, but we still earned a smart strategy. I want to thank to all the drivers that currently show up. I want to thank to a lot of competitors to make one exciting event. As you can see, the 26 is currently 10 seconds ahead of the 25. We maybe go finish a lap down. We gave it our best shot, but we're not going to make it. We're not going to win, but we're definitely going to end up in the podium. I think Drew's got it, Zach. I don't think Rolling Rocks Perry Marshall is not going to catch him. He was like currently a few car lengths behind. Now he's like at least 8. I don't think he's going to catch him in time. Here's the 26 right behind Perry Marshall. 2 more laps to go. We're heading to the Monster Energy curve. There's the 26 right now. Where's the second place leader? And I want to thank to all my friends on YouTube. Oh! And a late red flag with only just 2 laps to go. Just 2 laps from the finish. Come on, Drew. Bring her home, bud. Bring her home. Bring her home. Bring her home, Zach.
Let's go, Michael!
I don't think the 26 is worried anymore. He's having the final lap. As he rounds to the final turn. And the winner is going to be Team M&M's Racing. We have a winner, the 26. Here comes the 25. The 25 will currently finish second. Where's our team? Well done, Drew! Well done! Well done! Team M&M's Racing are the winners. Well, you gave your best shot, just
so
a position short.
And lost third place by 4 seconds. Fuck that asshole.
I have nothing else to say.
They can't have somebody else out there working that. I'm not going to take it. What happened? Look at that. Look at that.
Understood. Well, I'm sorry about this one.
The race is luck, but they got to do better.
Well, there's good days and bad days. This is Nick DeLuna, aka the Flying Rocket, the founder of Flying Rocket. This is Nick DeLuna team. So long. And there's our current team winner, Team M&M's. Hey, great racing.
That was fun, man. That was great.
Thank you, Tony.
Yeah, how'd you guys finish out?
Well, we came in third. We came on the podium.
Okay, good for you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is a tough deal. There's a lot of really strong drivers in this thing.
Yeah, those were the top best drivers in this area right now.
Okay. Well, good job.
Hey,
Good job.
you too. Great team effort.
Thanks. Yeah, we had a great time.
What a race. Well, I'm looking forward to race you again, hopefully in near time
Hope so.
future.
Yeah, hope so.
Hey, great racing, y'all. Great racing.
I think I did not finish last.
And there you go. Great racing, y'all. Woo! Hey, it's great racing with you. Y'all did a great job. You too. Thank you. Yeah, great racing, y'all. Hey, way to go to bring it home. We came on the podium. Yes!
Well, it was like a lap and we got down to 8.
Hey, congratulations. Hey, good try, Perry. But you did a great job.